Here's how to add quotes in Google Docs, whether they're just a few words or a whole chunk of text. I'll walk you through it step by step. Open your Google document like I did. Here I have 2 quotes from my favorite book, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. One is short and the other is long. Starting with short quotes is easy. If you've got a sentence or two, just type it in or paste it and put quotation marks around it. Pretty straightforward, right? Now, longer quotes, or block quotes, need a bit more formatting to stand out. They usually get indented. One way is to do it manually. Highlight the text, then go up to the Format menu. Pick a line and indent, and then choose Indentation option. Under the left indent, type in 0.5. That's the standard amount for styles like APA or an LAOA. Click Apply. Because it's indented like that, you mostly don't need to put quotation marks around a block quote. Now go to the Format menu again. Then Line and Paragraph, spacing. Now select Single or Adjust to your preference. This is the recommended way and looks good too. If you want your block quote to look even clearer, you can add a vertical line next to it. Select the text, go to Format, then Paragraph Styles, and choose Borders and Shading. Set the border position to just the left side. Pick a subtle color like gray. Adjust the thickness if you want, and hit Apply. That gives you a clean, professional look that's easy to read. Oh, and don't forget to give credit for the quote. You can add a quick citation in parentheses immediately after it, including the author's name and year. And go to Insert, then Page Elements, and choose Footnote to place the reference at the bottom of the page. Students, writers, and researchers can also use the citation tool in the Tools menu if they have to. Here you can mention your source type and how you access it. Do whatever your style guide says. I am good with the footnote method. A couple of extra things. It helps to put a blank line before and after your block quote to separate it from your own text. You can also tweak the font, color, or size using the toolbar if you like. Totally your call. And that's really all there is to it. You now know how to handle short quotes, block quotes, and citations in Google Docs easily. If you found this useful, liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more guides like this would be great. Got a question or something you want to see? Leave a comment down below. I always read them. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.